We feed them mouse as well, but just right now I'm just giving them some quail. And they're old enough now they can have bones and feathers. They need all that, right? It's roughage, yeah, and it cleans their system and it gives them nutrients. And then of course they chuck up pellets of the stuff.
He's extremely noisy because he's also only a year old. He's still a baby and he thinks we're his parents. He thinks we're going to feed him. That's why he's shouting at us to feed him. Now, Christmas hawks, they are found in Canada, more in the prairies than on the side of the world. They are native to Canada. We have 2 Peruvian hawks right now. It's Aragon, who's rather fat right now, and another bird who's actually doing work in Victoria, doing demonstrations and such up there. Taco! Calm down! Yeah, we're going to, if you guys want to, you can go around that way or come around this way. We're going to go check up the pen up there with the funky looking owl in it. That's the next bird.
A funky owl.
Oh, he's not in there anymore. Cleo! Cleo! Come on down,
Cleopatra.
Yeah. Cleo, she's a bit of a drama queen.
Named after Cleon from Warriors, right?
What's that?
Named her after Cleon from Warriors, right?
I'm not sure what she's named after, but very well could be. I wasn't here when they named her. But she's being kind of shy right now. We've got more down further away. So this is Cleo. If you can see, she's kind of tucked up in the corner there. She's trying to sleep.
Too bright for.
Yeah. Well, she is a barn owl, and actually she is also one of the babies that were born on our center, at our center. So she also thinks that we're her parents. But that said, she is snoozing right now, so let's not disturb her too much. We've got more birds, very similar birds down this way. In here we have...
Final. Oh.
Is anybody here?
I think she's been gone.
Escaped.
Now these guys are native to Canada. You'll find them in the Arctic region. And very rarely do they come down. Well, they do come down every now and then, depending on their prey.
Just turn it head.
Every now and then.
Very cool.
Oh, there is again. Blend it right in with the toilet, see?
With the toilet?
No. Toilet.
Oh, toilet.
We've got Cleo's parents. There's one hiding at the loft.
Oh, Cleo.
I think it's holy.
Perhaps one over there.
Maybe you give me the children.
Also snoozing birds.
Oh, really? Stealing my luck, bro. Give me half.
Okay.
Yeah, ducks.
Oh, poor dog.
I can't why they're here because both of them were injured in such a way that they can no longer fly. Or they can no longer be released to the wild. I think it's Bob there, the one who's very up top. If you look at Bob there, he's missing an eye. Because he has been hit by a car and collapsed into his skull. So he can't actually move. Ebenezer there also got hit by a car, had a similar accident. His thing was broken and broken in a specific place where it's very difficult for it to heal, so he actually can't fly. So these guys are retired here, that's why they have a nice big pen where they can fly between two. Hey, handsome boys. Okay, we gotta leave Maya alone now. The bus is calling her. Yeah.
Biggie.
So these guys are retired here. This is where their home is going to be for the rest of their lives. They can't be released into the wild. No. During the daytime or during the night, we do put them away because actually our native population of great horned owls would kill them during the night. Yeah. During the nighttime, don't mess.